Welcome to our channel. If you want to choose a brokerage platform, step by step, follow these step-by-step instructions to make sure to ensure everything is properly set up and works correctly. Step 1. Open your web browser or mobile app and navigate to the relevant platform or website. Be sure to make sure you're logged in with your account credentials if required. Step 2. Locate the main menu or settings section. Look for the option related to your task, usually found in the top navigation bar or sidebar menu. Step 3. Navigate to and click on the appropriate section or tab where you can access the specific feature or tool you need for this process. Step 4. Carefully follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Enter any required information such as amounts, addresses, or account details accurate and correctly to avoid errors. Step 5. Thoroughly review all the information you've entered before proceeding. Double-check that everything is correct to prevent any issues or delays. Step 6. Confirm your action by clicking the Submit or Confirm button. Wait for the system to process your request, which may take a few moments. Step 7. Carefully check your email or notification center for a confirmation message. This verifies that your action was completed successfully. Step 8. Go ahead and log back into your account to verify that the changes have been applied. Ensure everything appears as expected and is functioning properly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.